Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Oh, despair, leave me or be find someone new. I don't wanna be stuck in blue.
Welcome
Intro.
to Deathloop Productions.
Wow. Artful intro.
I think I was with it.
Wait, is that the start of it?
What? The
Icebox?
No, actually, I didn't make a vlog out of that, so I just decided to make a say.
Okay, well,
I might throw that. I might throw that.
Yeah.
We got a 90-minute long run, except this loser's doing 85 minutes.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Like a bum.
Like boys.
We're mad. Haley, if you're watching this is for Max. We're mapping out neighborhoods.
We are mapping out.
And mapping out Max's love life.
There is none. So,
Sure, buddy.
not that exciting. Okay.
Sure, buddy.
You're rocking the double blast.
Yep. Yeah. Look at me, I'm every First shot, transcending the game.
Oh, it looks super mild. So this one was really skinny.
Because Seb says tiny twinkle toes.
Watch, do a flip. Do a flip. Do it. That's it.
We just lost the femboys. They don't want to do sunset with us. Travesty. Aesthetic. Ah! Look at our aesthetic shadows. So aesthetic. Nah. Dog, it's a roundabout. Turkey. Turkey. You can run, but you can't hide. Oh oui, nous trouvons sur la plage. Oui, quelle est? Oui. Il est Maxu. Je m'appelle Jacques. Je suis une étudiante de sciences. J'habite à Lyon, en France. Mais je suis ici pour le Coupe du Monde. Oui. Allez les Bleus. Allez Mbappé. Oui.
I'm excited.
Les plages. Je ne sais pas, il y a beaucoup de maisons. We just got yelled at because some dude didn't want us running where we were running. And I spoke in French a lot.
We just got done with that.
What? Alright. Yeah, we weren't even by his trip, bro. Drop a comment if you want me to speak in French more, it's kind of fun. The alter egos Jacques and Maxu could make it a return appearance. And whatever Caleb says, which is usually nothing. Oh my gosh, holy sun. 90 minutes, right, Sebs? Yeah. Haley Geerlings, Max did great on that run. Yeah. He just absolutely demolished that run. And his Vomero pluses, or premium, or no pluses.
He's so fast. Premium so fast. Hey, Haley, get him right with some premium.
Yeah, Haley.
You guys won't give me a discount.
So now we're going and doing core in the water and then swimming in the lake. What?
No, this is like the one.
Yeah, it is. It's just post run. Echo! Sebs, rate the reverb. Wow, Sebs, you're so nonchalant. Epic waves at the lake. The boys left us. It's just me and Caleb. Just got absolutely rocked. Dude, I should have brought the GoPro. I'm so stupid. I'll bring it in the pool. Freaking awesome. Okay, hold on. Okay, we jumped in the lake. Now we're headed to Bowerman's and then hopefully Max's grandparents' pool. And it's gonna be lit. The boys are in a rush today, I guess, because they keep leaving me behind, and it's no fun. Miles, what are you gonna get?
Probably a blueberry smoothie.
If you're not tapped in to blueberry pineapple swirl, what are you even doing?
Is that what you're getting?
Yeah, Jake, shout out Jay Fault for putting me on.
Wait, what is it?
It's like $3. It's soft serve. Yeah. Okay, so we were just about to FaceTime Sebs to show him that my ice cream is bigger than his was, and then we realized his phone was next to us. His lock screen is discipline. I don't know if you can see it, but it's genuinely just a black screen. Wait, tap it again, tap it. It's genuinely just a black screen that says discipline. He's so locked in, bro. Who's this guy? If anyone knows of good burro racing nearby, please let me know.
Dude, Seb,
I want to do a burro race.
the boss, you got like.
These chuds are only here for the drinks. That being said, I'm grabbing a Dr. Pepper.
I'll take a long drink.
Caught in 4K, bruh. This is the life.
It's like going through it.
Trying to grab a long drink. This is the life,
I
man.
was better doing water aerobics.
This is the life. Already jumped in the lake. Got Bowerman's.
Now it's the pool.
Now it's a pool. Thing after thing after thing. Sebs, mix up that Capri Sun with the Sprite.
That would be dumb. I thought it was good.
Just lean, bruh. Capri Sun lean.
There's also towels in there.
The boys are trying on flippers.
What size shoe are you?
10.5.
That's what I have.
Yes. These are for Max. These are for Seb's little feet.
Twinkle toe Sebs.
Oh, my toe is not fitting. I think this one's gonna work.
Dog.
This one
Those are like the smallest ones.
Oh, this green one kind of fits.
Oh my.
I'm getting some coverage. Is there a second one of these? Oh, these ones are huge, bro, but they're small little paddlers. There's like 1 foot on.
Just rock one, bro. Is there genuinely not?
Actually, I probably would. Oh, no.
Someone has already almost drowned in this pool, apparently.
Go ahead.
I don't know. Max just said he brought one of his friends here and they almost died.
Yeah, can you guys swim?
Okay, let's go swim, guys.
I got my bazooka. I got my water toy.
This guy's a toddler, bro.
Use the kickboard. Use the kickboard.
Yeah, use the kickboard. Goggles. Wait, I want to rock goggles. That way I can see. Yeah, that way I can see underwater. Hey, thank you, Miles. Hey, smile for the camera.
Wednesday, my dudes.
Wait, hold on. I want a picture. Deep breath. Thank you. Lifeguards at the ready?
It's really warm. It's like 8.
Just a hot tub, bro. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna throw the GoPro at him. Hey guys, I'm swimming. Let's go underwater, guys. Sorry guys, I'm not floating with me. Let's do a little pool. Let me get the diving board. I'm doing no donut fight. Okay. We're swimming with Seb. So look at, there's a torpedo down there. Let's get it. Ready? Miles is gonna film me. Sorry, you're behind the waterway. Take that. So let's check out the fit underwater. Then took the deadlift. Hey, you gotta like clap with him. You gotta hit yourself. Come on! How much do these run?
At least you won't taste like a
Hello world. It's on chest strap. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Dog, I'm gonna die if I try to do a flip. Try a what flip?
No, front flip.
Which one's easier? You saw me that one time, Max. It's gonna freaking come off. Yeah.
Where the chest hand. Okay, how do you throw this thing on me?
Put your head in the arm. That's not it.
Alright, today we're gonna do water aerobics. Ready? Good, There's like chest hair holding up down there. What was that? Let's see Miles. Habibi.
You gotta touch more, I think.
We're gonna find flotation device.
Let's see these flips.
You're not even trying to.
I got that on footage. We tried it. Yeah.
Alright, hydration break for some Dr. Pepper. Don't sponsor me, I don't like Dr. Pepper that much. We're gonna run back match 2. They just won match 1. Max and I cannot let this stand.
Absolute thriller.
Nail biter though. We were playing to 11, we got to like 15, 16.
We deserve better.
Honestly, what are we gonna do different this game, Mac?
We're not gonna give it to Sebs. We're gonna give it to Miles. We're gonna give it to.
You wanna go anywhere?
Yeah, Sebs. Do this pose.
Put it.
Coming back, still holding. Common ground, like the bottom could drop out. Straight down. I've been waiting for something.
We are victorious.
I'm not that bad, bro. You're worse than I am.
No.
Yes. Max, can you back me up that he's worse than I am? Yes.
No.
We're at least equivalent.
No.
Dog, I made some good shots.
The game was on the line.
That last shot got me mad.
Dog.
I've been seeing a ghost in the doorway.
On Max.
But I know it's not real.
Whoa.
You like the daily?
Oh yeah.
Wow. That was almost fun.
What is this? Max and I won, no thanks to me. 3-game series, we won 2, but they won 2 out of 3 volleyball games, so. Yeah, like I said, no help to me, but from me, but it was fun. So just showing us weird Instagram reels. And Max has found the oldest board game known to man.
It's the greatest board game of all time. Oh, he looks fire.
Oh my days. See, it's a classic.
Board game of all time.
Everybody
Wow,
tap in to cross the bridge.
Guys, look at.
So, yeah, you only hit it once. Stop. You only hit you don't have like one, so you don't use both of them. And whenever I get like a 6, for example.
Whose water bottle is this?
Not mine. For 6, for example. So 1, 2, I go over. 1, 2, 3, and I can't pass it, but then this move goes over. Yeah. But and you just split between your things, and the goal should get all yours to there.
Okay.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and then.
We've come so far away from this place we
But why didn't you move all 3 of them? Why did you just
from this place we call home.
I just.
She is doing fine, as far as I can see. As far as I can see.
Last table! All that work for nothing! We just fumbled the bag! We just fumbled so hard, Max! What just happened? I'm never gonna recover from this. No! What happened, bro? I'm genuinely shambles, bro. Cut the vlog, cut the cameras. Alright, Olive Garden time. Well, gas time first, and then Olive Garden time. What's the over-under for how many breadsticks you eat?
I got me.
Yes, you. 10, wow. Miles? 6, okay. I give myself... 6 is probably a solid line. 7. Actually, maybe 8.
I'm crushing this.
I think I could do
I don't even want to get
yeah.
past them.
Give me 8. Give me 8. Give me 8.
I gotta get past them.
This is before 10
I don't care if she did it in the mints when they're not leaving until I get 10 down. I don't care if she like says it.
I'm holding you to do this. 10, or you're stuck here for life.
Alright.
15. 15.
I hope you always like 2 round boxes. I can get that's light.
How do you know how many are in a box?
Oh, it's weird. Sometimes they give you 3, sometimes they give you 4.
Oh yeah.
It's like they're trying to chase you. Like they can tell Miles is gonna be 100 of them.
They're trying to feel you out at the start.
First one will be 4. Just so it's awkward to find out the last one. And then with the 3.
Should we time lapse the GoPro up the time lapse? First breadstick, we're feeling good. Right now, cool.
City slipping underneath.
Going to town.
In July, watching people
How are you feeling? 1 down.
I got 8 more in there.
just like gray clouds in July.
So you're gonna get 9.5.
City slipping underneath.
Not cool.
How cooked are we, bro?
Bro, there's a heat register. World Cup. They tied it up.
It's gonna fall off the table.
Egypt wins that game. Which feed generations? They probably should.
We're almost done with the second one. We're feeling good.
Salah.
We're feeling good. We got the World Cup
The
going.
mom just texted me, got a thunderstorm, watch out.
severe thunderstorm watch.
That's what it just says in the box.
Bruh.
Boys, if we get stuck at Olive Garden,
It's until 4:45.
lit.
Wait,
It was pretty treacherous.
it's 3:21 right now. Are we gonna be... That'd be fun.
Throw a walker. One big hit. Let's go they fouled up.
Storm chasing you works, bro.
He's tough one, bro.
Should we hunker down in the Olive Garden?
Genuinely right.
Wait,
So I've eaten 2. I've eaten 2 breadsticks. Miles, have you eaten 2?
You're all in two.
All in 2.
First basket down.
Really hot. Hamper it down. It's very nice. Right, Niles. We realized we now have a record, already one record down of 6 breadsticks in one basket. So it's looking good.
We're about in numbers.
First record of the day.
If you wait, I mean all this then.
Alright. Number 3 is down. Status is looking pretty solid still. Feeling pretty confident. I expect that to start to fizzle a little more once we get to about like 5. That's really when I feel like the wall's gonna get hit. But we power through now. Well, not power through now. We stay strong now and then power through. It's starting to get a little dark outside.
That's a dream. Not even.
If you didn't understand previously.
Mainly trying to round Olive Garden.
Dude, there's a American dude on the bike. Might be like thunderstorms, so could theoretically be like trapped here. Theoretically. Max is really hyped, as if like we couldn't just like stay here as long as we want. Like they're not gonna like kick us out, right? Cut to them kicking us out. This is a travesty.
Oh shoot. How do those start
We got 6 again. Also, I want to point out, it's crazy, but they gave us the same seat as last time. So if you watch the last vlog in which we said hey,
Oh, that was that vlog?
Yeah. You will remember this seat. So yeah, exactly where I sat. Yeah. If I don't get the seat next time, I'm walking out. So yeah, shout out Olive Garden. Sponsor me. New fantasy punishment idea. Come to Olive Garden and the loser has to eat 200 breadsticks. 100 isn't enough. 50 is just weak, honestly.
No, I don't think anyone gets to like 20.
No way. Anyways, it's housed. The entree's down. All of our entrees are down.
Now the fun begins.
He's at 4. He's finishing his 5th.
4th.
No, 5th. Yeah. And I'm about to start my 4th. So let's get it. We have just amended the previous statement. I said that he was at 5. He just finished his 4th. We did math with how many breadsticks were in the basket.
No.
Miles is trying to figure out how to call a waiter. And and this is my 4th. Wait. This is a travesty. She said with awful finality, like, have a good rest of your night, like, took all of our stuff, did not offer us some more breadsticks.
What if I should have kept eating, boss?
I'm at 4. I'm only at 4. I need at least 4 more. Max
Boss, don't pay. Boss, don't
Max
pay.
is only at 4.
Boss, don't pay that.
We're gonna see what happens. This is an adventure. This is a travesty.
Oh, shit, bro.
This is a travesty.
We're genuinely stuck in the middle of the island.
It's about
No shotgun.
our car's windshield wipers do not work. They just don't. And we didn't get enough breadsticks. I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry.
Not gonna lie, I really thought I had to be Big Mac.
Dude,
All they said was
it was looking good. It was so promising. Back-to-back 6s, and then
they awkwardly like pick you up, bro. Dude, yeah, one more 6 and then we're over.
man, this is rough. We left. No.
This freaking lady kicked us out of Olive.
We left the Olive Garden and it started raining and our car's windshield wipers don't work, so we're stranded. And I guess Miles is making our dad come to pick us up.
Not us. Just
But I think Max and I might just low-key stick it out here. We've got nothing better to do. Miles is boring and doesn't want to hang out in the car. We should have just stayed at Olive Garden so we got free breadsticks, bro.
She kicked us out.
That's a good question. We should. I mean, we've got nothing to do. We should just Google this and find out.
What?
Why is the rain cold when it's 80?
Because it's up. Yeah.
Oh.
So it's cold in the atmosphere.
No. This is the guy who wants to be picked up, mind you. You can't even see him.
I'll send that.
He's genuinely just running away.
Where'd you go?
Oh my god. He's gone.
Where'd he go?
Should I go chase him?
No.
Yes, I'm chasing him. Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna get hit by lightning. Oh, it's thunder! Ah! Ah! Get back! Just Lord! I'm telling you! Dog. What? How hot is it, Miles? Really hot. He's here. I don't know if he wants us to get in or what.
Like a 20-minute low key.
Just so aesthetic.
Not even raining, man. We'd be good. Yeah,
Alright.
I'll just drive from up here.
Alright. So we're waiting for the windshield the not. Okay. No, Max, no. It's this. It's the inside. No, because then it'll have handprints all over it. We're waiting for it to just defront it. See, it's working.
Handprints are not the worst.
That's true. But yeah. And then we're gonna drive to a little bit further up the road to the middle school. Alright. I've acquired sunglasses from in the car. We're at the middle school. And we had enough visibility to drive over. I feel like I could still drive right now, but I think the rain's gonna pick up again pretty soon. So we came over here because there's more cool stuff over here. So we've airballed on every single door. This is bad. Days. Oh my days! That's scary! Bro, my dad literally said to come. Oh, boys. Mr. Signin. That might be good looks, right?
Mr. Lover?
Bro, new gens.
Mr. Lover.
So we've almost completed a full lap and things are looking bad. But the best is yet to come because we've still got the main entrance.
Hey, that one's always open, right?
Yep. Please, we're here to meet up and eat up.
Won't you come on outside?
My dad's got to know
Won't you
something.
come on outside?
ChatGPT, how do I get into a locked middle school?
We've got.
He just pried it open with his bare hands. It's open! Open door! What is this, bro?
But they should probably lock that door. So like, guys,
Alright.
lock.
Lift off. When a pair. We've got. In the palm of our hands. We go.
So we were playing pickleball over there. Then we realized that we didn't really want to get struck by lightning, and some intel has told us that the safest place is in the car, I guess. Which I think is untrue. I think the safest place is in the school, but the school is stupid and isn't open. So
This car is low-key so cozy before it gets really hot.
yeah, it gets
It's
really hot.
This guy.
Now we're scouting hiking trails for Manistee on all trails because we got nothing better to do. Hey, we did it. The radar says only like 20 or 30 more minutes. bro.
That's too easy, man.
Cut the vlog, cut the cameras, cut the camera. This is a travesty.